Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, today I wanted to give you guys a quick update on my Alibaba wheels. First of all, they have been excellent. They're flawless. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. The only issue that I'm currently having right now actually has to do a little bit with my brakes. Starting actually when I'm braking at really at high speeds, I get a little bit of vibration. So my plan here was to actually put the car in the air, take off the wheels, inspect my brake pads, as well as make sure that everything is clean and that sort of thing. But I wanted to do one of the things that I actually missed out on as well when I actually did the installation. Of course, I was super excited about putting these wheels on that I forgot to weigh them. So of course, as you guys probably know, we have a lot of information out on the web about the Michelins as far as weight is concerned. So what we'll do is I'm going to take these wheels off, see if I can get them on the scale, and then we can subtract out the weight of the tires, and we'll see where we're at on these wheels. That'll give us a really good idea of what they weigh. Like I said, I do recall them being super light when I was lifting them up, so let's just jump right into that. Okay, so I got my scale out. We're gonna see if we can't get these taken off real quick. Ah, crap. Okay, well, I hate when I do that. This impact usually is just not strong enough to get these off, and I've already got the car up in the air. Let's see here, just a second. We actually got a new tool in. Dang it. Yeah, I hate when that happens, but so I've been actually looking for a good impact. I actually found this brand on Amazon. This is a Seesii. I'm not sure if you guys recall, but I did a video a couple years ago about a cutoff wheel, and it's the same brand, so I actually can interchange these batteries. But this has been a lifesaver for me because this thing puts out so much more torque. So, and it's a really cheap buy. So if you guys are interested in an impact gun, I'm gonna go ahead and put this link to this product in the video description because this thing has been so much easier for me, and it's actually a nice compact size. Okay, so as you guys see, we have the wheel off here for the front. The fronts are actually running Bridgestones. This tire, 265, 35, 20, and online it shows that this tire weighs anywhere from 31 to 32 pounds. So we'll use the 31, and we'll just kind of see if we can't get a weight here for us, okay? So we got the scale on. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. There we go. And if you guys can see that, 53.6 pounds. So if we subtract 31s, we're gonna go with the lower end, subtract 31 pounds. That means that these wheels are gonna weigh in at 22 pounds, the fronts do. And that is a 20 by 9.5. Let's do the same for the rears. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we went ahead and pulled the rear wheels off too. We've got the Michelin Pilot Sport S5s. These are supposed to weigh about 28.5 pounds. Okay, so these are in a 295, 30, 20. So we're gonna weigh them as well too. And remember, this is a 11 inch wide wheel. So 20 by 11. See if I can get my scale operating there. Okay. And that is 53.6 pounds. And then of course, like I said, 28 pounds. We're gonna go with the lower end, 28 pounds. So you're looking at what? Our rear wheels, probably 25 pounds, a rough estimate. So I'll put the numbers up on the screen for you guys, but super, super light forged wheels, especially for a 20 by 11, 20 by 9.5. I'm super impressed with these wheels, guys. Well, so you guys can see also, your boy finally broke down and got myself a wire wheel set. Went down to Harbor Freight. These are super, super cheap. I think I paid like $4 for an entire set of wire wheels, but I've never been able to kind of clean up these hubs. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, guys, so hopefully that you guys can tell that looks much better, much cleaner. Still have some rust here that shows up on the inside, but I can't really do much about that. One thing I did notice is this rear caliper, this bolt was actually not tight, and so the rotor did have a little bit of movement there. You would think that when the wheel was on that it was compressing it enough, but I just went ahead and tightened it anyway, just in case that is giving me any issues, or like I said, because I was getting a little bit of vibration under heavy braking. Again, clean this one up here, much nicer. We're gonna go around to the other side, clean them up as well too. I don't know if I'll put that on camera or whatnot, but just gonna put everything back together here in a minute, and then we might give it a quick wash as well too. Okay, so we got the F10 back on the ground. I will try to get you guys a cinematic of a nice wash. Again, really like this impact. So if you guys need a strong impact that'll be able to take off lug nuts, all that fun stuff, I'll put a link in the video description for that, because I feel like that was a really good find. So let's see if we can't cut to a quick washing cinematic for you guys. All right, guys, so got it cleaned up. Those wheels, I'm telling you what, man, I'm really digging these wheels, especially when you look at the angle and you can see the cutouts on them. Oh, they look really clean. But man, she cleans up nice. Again, for 2011, we're up to about 181,000 miles. 180,000 miles right now, but getting close to 181. I'll have to do an oil change on her, as well as I need to. I've been slacking. I need to go ahead and get the differential fluid swapped out for the new LSD. So man, super clean. Those wheels look just insane. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think about her in the comments. So drop me some kind words, hopefully, but I think she's looking good. Well, hopefully you guys like that cinematic. I think these BBS clones look phenomenal. So if you guys have been on the fence about picking up a set of Alibaba wheels, hopefully this helps you guys make that decision. Of course, if you're asking me, I'm gonna tell you to go for it, because I'm really happy with my purchase. But guys, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. If you wanna see any other type of content, make sure you drop that down in the comments. I wanna try to keep bringing this content out there for you guys. But other than that, you guys be safe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.